You're taking a live look from the South Texas Gulf Coast as Harvey is making a beeline toward the Lone Star State. And this isn't even the worst of it. And it already looks pretty nasty there in Corpus Christi. But landfall for Hurricane Harvey is expected late tonight, early tomorrow morning. Slated to become the first hurricane to strike Texas since 2008. The first major hurricane, which means Category 3 or above, to strike the United States mainland since 2005. That was Wilma in late October.
Wow. And you said this storm is going to hover there for quite a few days.
For a long
Bad
time.
news.
And that's why we're worried about the winds with the system, but we're more so worried about the rainfall. We're talking 1 to 2 years worth of Tucson rainfall falling in South Texas in about a 4 to 6 day time frame here.
Wow.
So this is an epic situation that could be unfolding in a very short amount of time. Here's a look at Hurricane Harvey, a very well-defined textbook tropical cyclone hurricane with an eye wall right there. And notice showers and thunderstorms wrapping into that eye wall. So Harvey continues to strengthen. It is almost a major hurricane right now. To reach major hurricane status, Category 3 or above, the hurricanes need to have winds of at least 111 miles per hour. That's how close we are this morning. 110 mile per hour sustained winds with Hurricane Harvey making landfall late tonight, early tomorrow morning, very close to Corpus Christi, Texas, maybe a little to the northeast of it. 6 to 12 feet of storm surge possible on the South Texas coastline. And watch what happens with Harvey heading into Sunday and Monday. It just hovers over South Texas, maybe re-emerging over the Gulf of Mexico and then curving back toward Houston early next week. The rainfall totals are biblical here. The European and the GFS model hinting at 20+ inches of rain for places like Port Lavaca, Houston, Galveston. Here's the GFS model, maybe approaching 30 inches to even 35 inches in some spots. So this is going to be a dire situation. Yet on the rainfall with the storm surge and those winds, and Harvey is going to be a major weather story here in the United States. In fact, just a major story altogether in the coming days. So how is Harvey going to impact southern Arizona? Well, it's not the impact you think. 20% chance of metro thunder today, up to 30% tomorrow, but look at the storm chances next week. Slight chance at a couple of isolated storms because high pressure is going to park over in Nevada because Harvey stalls out over Texas. With that high over Nevada, not a favorable pattern to get scattered storms going here in Tucson.